Kay Nim Farabelo, bilang chair daw ng Electoral Reforms Committee, magpapatawag daw ba kayo ng public hearing tungkol sa issue sa Miro? At nakikita ba daw kayong danger dun sa nangyari sa joint venture ng Miro?
Parang naglabas na, di ba, ang COMELEC kahapon at may lumabas na naman this morning na nakita ko na nagpaliwanag naman ang Miro na sila'y nagbigay na ng tinatawag nilang net financial capacity contract to replace the controversial St. Timothy Construction Corporation. So mukhang yung dalawang local partners at saka yung Miro managed to produce 20 billion, which is over and above the contract price of 17.88 billion. I understand that the COMELEC deems this sufficient and, in fact, in excess of the actual contract price. 10% higher is the credit line. So the individual companies are under contract as a joint venture and solidarily liable. So kahit mawala yung joint venture dahil isang partido ay lumabas, the COMELEC can continue to enforce the contract against any and all of the companies forming the joint venture. This is my understanding. I haven't spoken to any of them personally, but this is what I gathered from the latest news as well as the resolution of COMELEC.
So right now, wala kayong nakikita na pangangailangan na magsagawa ng...
Mukhang tuloy-tuloy naman sila at may kakayahan naman. May credit line nga ng 20 billion, lampas-lampas nung kinakailangan para sa kontrata. So sa palagay ko, hindi tayo magkaka-issue dyan.